Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Here's how to cut a mango. Now there are a lot of ways to cut a mango. Here's our favorite. Take the mango and place the stem facing away from you. Hold it up on its side and cut on either side of the pit. Score each side without breaking through the peel. I like to use a paring knife for this part. Then all you do is grab a large spoon and scoop out the pieces. All right, those are perfectly diced cubes. If you would like, you can also cut around the core and get some of the extra flesh off of there, dice that up as well. Thank you so much for watching. To check out more of our knife skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.